Election 2022. Okay, I have two people watching already. That means Adamazi. Please don't go off. Just leave it. Carry it on. Come on. Just carry it on. And go. Let it be like this. You're watching it. You're not playing. Okay, welcome back once again to Adamazi TV. Now, this is the election. This is the election proper. Please make sure as you're watching this, you send the link to all our sons and daughters in your contact list. Remember to like, share, and comment. Thank you for joining us on Adamazi TV. Please remember share the link to all our sons and daughters in your contact list. Please share the link now. Share the link. Share the link. Share the link, and ensure to subscribe to Adamazi TV. Thank you for joining us on today's occasion, big occasion in Arochukwu, the presidential election of Nzuko, men's wing. Thank you for joining us. We have security men on ground fully to ensure that the election is conducted without any form of dispute. We have a lot of security men on ground. Please ensure to subscribe to Adamazi TV. Please remember to subscribe to Adamazi TV. Remember to share the link. Don't watch alone. Share the link to all your contacts, our sons and daughters in your contacts. Thank you for joining us on this live program. Please like and share the link, share the link. Please share Remember, this is Nzuko presidential elections, May 2022. We are live here.
Let us know now. Engineer, Philip Ajwa.
We are here bringing you the live updates of the election. We are live on YouTube. Please ensure to subscribe. Ensure send the link. Send the link. We want to see your comments. We want to know how you feel about the ongoing Nzuko presidential elections. Share the link. Share the link.
As big so the other side that when they go to the delegates. The delegates are here. Okay. So these people one Indian kind of side that one.
They will still come.
Okay.
Our delegates.
Okay.
If you cross this way, you have full delegates.
Okay. So what of the aspirant, the electoral aspirant? Okay. There also. Okay. So these are people who are yet to be called, the delegates who are yet to be called. But over here, as you can see, we have huge number of Omuaro people who are qualified to vote for this election. These are the delegates. Please share the link. These are the delegates who are yet to be called upon.
Mr. Emmanuel,
So these are the delegates that have been called upon. As you can see, the security men on ground to ensure orderliness and a successful election, a free and fair election.
Please help me out with this. Welcome to Adamazi TV. It's coming out. All right. Omar Kibo, you are all welcome to Adamazi TV, a live coverage of the Nzuko men's swing presidential election 2022. So the uprising now is that someone just came now. They are allowed him in, which they're not supposed to. Welcome to Adamazi TV, live coverage of Nigerian mainstream presidential elections, live here in the Civic Center, Arochukwu. We love to see your comments. We love to see the likes. Hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please kindly subscribe to Adamzi TV. If you love what we are doing, kindly subscribe to Adamzi TV. And please share the link. Share the link. Share the link. Thank you for sharing the links. Thank you for sharing the links. If you're yet to share the link, please. You have people who love to watch this live coverage of Nzuko presidential elections. Kindly share to them. Call them to come online on YouTube to watch this live video.
We are brothers. So we in the partnership.
Remember, Adamazi TV is here for you to connect to your roots at all times. The delegates are being separated. As you can see, these are the delegates who have been screened and are verified to vote for the election. And over here we have people who are waiting for their names to be called so they can join the other delegates. Remember, we are live. Adamazi TV is live here in Civic Center Arochukwu, bringing you the live update of the Nzuko presidential elections. Stay tuned for more happenings here. If you have been following
Okay. Wilson.
Yeah. How do I get you like this?
As a Malaba now, all you need here then. What's my way using my contact person?
Let me from there, thank you very much. I'm not live Adamazi TV. Magandia Road, okay. As they want to know what is happening. So we are live. Whatever that is happening, we are watching. Why telling us?
Well, Abambo Mazu Chamadi Peter. Obviously, I'm African. So when I was met to the Laward and Labor Beleno, Chuagos going down. Nyaba make election Nzuko worldwide. So Madabola no o fuega emerlibe. But when mega no pa igwe one la ibe. And all the lazy I make like because one better now. The election must be starting. And I let people that la konya bla win the ibe. We are caught over the Malpute. Or the other, the whole time fell. Allah put over all willingly keep if Allah. So, Omar the Babylon, no, we do it. Allah Civic Center. Ndewo.
Ndewo imela. Onye nụrụ olu ya ugbu a, ọnwa farụ. Ndewo. Thank you very much. So, ebe I were Android phone, the type of Adamazi TV. I got ndị America, I got this. Or I type of Nzuko mainstream presidential election 2022. I got Adamazi TV, we are back. Because can you tell us what is going on presently right now?
Okay, the election is going on very well. I was actually made one of the observers, and I was doing my job. I think some people were not happy with what I've been making sure that there's orderliness, and they now conspired to take me out as an observer. So I want to see medium to tell Umaru that the members of Adamzi team has asked me to relinquish my free position I'm doing as an observer in the election. So whatever the outcome of the election is, they can actually take the outcome. I cannot do more than what I did. I think I was just doing my job to help our room. Some people conspired and said I should be taken away from this place. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Na-awọchi na-ele ihe anyị na-ewetara unu anyị ji obi ọṅụ na-ewetara unu without any issues whatsoever. Please, if you're yet to share the link to what you are watching right now, what are you still waiting for? Kindly share the link to all your Arochukwu sons and daughters contact so they can join us live to watch what is happening na Learo, live and direct from Adamazi TV here on YouTube. Once again, I know live na Civic Center in Arochukwu. This big event, presidential elections, Nzuko, mainstream. If you're yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe.
Well, somebody is asking why was Mazi Okibo asked to leave the position that he was given. Well, I think it will be okay to hear from the horse's mouth. He's still very much around his ear. Somebody is asking, somebody just text, why was Mazi Okibo asked to leave?
Yes, I was asked to leave the observing position because I actually spotted what wasn't right. The positioning we were going on, the job we handed over was in that, and they had discovered someone from Port Harcourt branch that came to discuss the list when Port Harcourt branch has not been announced. So I was trying to tell the man to go back to his seat. We can have a free flow of our proceedings. Some other people now connive, some past executives connive and come and ask me to leave the podium. Well, I think he has made me a warrior and a champion. I have to stand for what is right. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mazi Okibo. So you heard from the horse's mouth that he was being asked to leave the position simply because he saw abnormality. Someone who was not supposed to come forth came and he tried to send the man back. Unfortunately, some people came and fight for him to leave that position. So right now, we are still observing and bringing you the live updates. If you are yet to send, if you are yet to share the link, I wonder what you're still waiting for. Please kindly share the link so that other Arrow sons and daughters will also watch what is happening live in Arrow Kibo. And if you're yet to subscribe to Adamazi TV, please kindly do so. We appreciate your stay with us, and we appreciate all your comments, your likes. We are grateful. No problem. I'll try as much as possible to bring up my voice, but as you can notice, the noise here is so loud. But then I'll still try my possible best to be audible enough as I bring you the updates of this great election in our city. Mazin Dubisi Kano, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mazin Dubisi Kano. We appreciate your comments. We appreciate your comment, Mazin Dubisi Kano. Please help and share the link, and remember to subscribe to Adamazi TV. Email and Dewo.
Mazindewo. Because get the situation on ground now.
The situation on ground
Umaru, the way they live, they are seeing what is happening. Umaru never did teacher. So what is happening right now?
Okay, because Umaru Munem no Ikunebem. Here life here will Nzuko election. He led the time, no matter the country of destination. Time Agala, but then we confusion on one of the branches being Port Harcourt. And we list our submit as at the date of deadline. But today we can another list of first. So then we confusion and a chocolate solve Yaga solve the vote. Arrogant Monday one. Aban Obina, Okrafo, Okronko, if you measure Kivu, AK Okato Kivu, what is also Cambo, Naru Nagadrum.
Because all you if only you thank you very much. So we are still live at Adamazi TV, your favorite Arrow Keyboard channel on YouTube. Our goal is to connect you to your roots wherever you are, all over the world. And today we are bringing you the live coverage of the Nzuko presidential election here in Civic Center, Arochukwu. The election, people came in here since morning, and up to now, we are still here. It's almost 6 o'clock Nigerian, 6 p.m. Nigerian time, and we are still here. And the election is yet to commence. This is still the screening of the delegates, people who are supposed to vote. As you can see, the remaining people here, these people you're seeing here, their names have not been mentioned. All right, their names have not been mentioned yet. They are still waiting for their names to be mentioned, to be called, so they can join the other delegates who are here, whose names have been mentioned already. Right now, there is a pause. There's a pause as a result of some abnormalities, from some issues coming up from Port Harcourt branch. The main problem here, why there is a standstill in the proceeding of this election, is that there was an issue from Port Harcourt branch. So we are just hoping that this issue will be resolved so that the election will continue. If you're yet to share this link, I wonder what you're still waiting for. Please share, like, subscribe, and remember, we would love to see your comments to know how you feel about this election today and the live coverage that you are watching from Adamazi TV.
God bless you all wherever you're watching from. God bless Aro Kibo. So, from someone's perspective, please, Omaro, yes, yeah. Mazi, go talk to Omaro. I want to know what is happening on the ground right now.
Don't worry myself. This or that people. They don't know it. Because the Port Harcourt with a crisis.
Okay, so he's saying that there is crisis with Port Harcourt branch. Okay, there is crisis with Port Harcourt branch. He does not really want to really comment, but then from what he's saying is that, just like I said before, there is an issue here, and this uprising was caused by Port Harcourt branch, and up till now the issue is yet to be resolved. So the man that you just heard, his voice is of the opinion for Port Harcourt branch to be cancelled so that the election will go on. Please share the link. No drink. Ever around drink, so I'm a Nika. No worries. No, can you go play that? What did I say?
News update, we have resolved this, so we are progressing.
Oh, wonderful. So the update now is that the issue has been resolved. So we are progressing. We are taking off, moving forward with the election. The issue has been resolved. To God be the glory. The issue has been resolved.
Let's continue.
So how was the issue resolved?
The guy that protested have actually withdrawn the protest in the interest of peace, so that we can conclude the election.
Oh, wonderful. That's the Port Harcourt branch guy.
Yeah, the protest is actually an aspirant.
Okay, wonderful. So the news reaching us now is that the Port Harcourt branch person, who is also an aspirant, who caused this uprising, has withdrawn whatever it was that he brought up that caused this uprising. So now we are moving forward with the election. They are now calling names again. Thank God. They are now calling names again. Sorry, Mike. So if you are just joining us, we had a little someone said if Umaru, Lagos, LGA state and federal level approach politics like this, they will have been occupying many positions. Why the tension? Why? Mazi Emmanuel Chima, thank you very much for your comment. Thank you very much for your comment, Mazi Emmanuel Onyema. We really appreciate your comment and we appreciate you for joining us here on Adamazi TV on YouTube. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do so. Remember, this is the Nzuko mainstream presidential elections 2022 live here in Civic Center Arochukwu. You are watching this live coverage from Adamazi TV. Your one channel that connects you to your roots. We had a little issues here from Port Harcourt branch, but it has been resolved and we've moved on with elections. Mazibiko, which branch is this?
This is Afion, another branch that we're having issue currently. There are supposed to be 5 delegates, but we're having 3 delegates, sorry, but we're having 5. So the National Body of Petrol tries to resolve the issue. It will be resolved also.
All right. Thank you very much, Mazi. So sorry for the breaking transmission. We are back. Please share. Sorry for the breaking transmission. Network failure. Network is a menaro. But we are back live for you. We are back live. Please share the link. Share the link. Presently, what is going on right now is Arochukwu home base here for their own rescue. So, home base. Home base. They're trying to put home base now. So, ndị enyi na-abụ bụ ndị Arochukwu home base, ọwụ ndị ka a na-achọ ịkpọ ugbu a. Mana Agọzadị a na-akpọ isiokwu ugbu a. Mana ekpere anyị na-ekpe bụ ka a resolve the matter. Maazị Ndewo.
Why are you interested in the crisis? I don't like such publicity. Why must you focus on the crisis? You have to delete all those rubbish. You must delete it. That is the image of God. You can't throw it. You can't throw the image of God. So, look, every crisis, you remove them. You don't want them
So, ihe na-eme ugbu a bụ dịka anyị si ewetara unu ndị Arochukwu home base abịara nwee obere nghọtahie, mana I think it's been taken care of. Anyị amakwanụ gị nke na-emezi ọkwa ndị ka fọrọ ebe a na-akpọbeghị afawo, and ndị na-conduct the election agbaela ndị nke azụ. Anyị amakwanụ gị why o ji wee gbaa ndị nke azụ, but we will get to find out why they backed these people that their names are not yet mentioned. There's a little uprising now, but it will be resolved eventually. By God's grace, this election will end in praise.
He's happy.
Get the
Na
situation.
kind of na-esikwa n'evu.
Okay.
The situation of this emechala accreditation na a na-ebidozi election.
But ndị nke anọ side
Mba, partly ndị awụ ndị observer candidates. Enweghị issue. Emechago.
Biko onye unu na-anụ olu ya na-ekwana ya ebe ọ nwa avụ arụ. Ndewo. Maazị, ka ụmụ arụ nọ ha na-awọchi ya live, so kelee ụmụ arụ.
Ndị na-alị bekee. Chochocho arụ mma nne. Ụmụ anyị ori ihe ihe afụle ihe anyị naghị eme ihe anyị ka nọkwa nwa anyị emebeghị vootu beta ọ ma dị mma ndị emekwe ndị ekweghị kama ebe anyị nọ ọhịa ile anyị bụ anyị ọbụla grupu nke dị iche mgbe n'ike Chineke anyị ga-emegba taa onwe onye ga-eme anyị ma apụ ebe a n'udo n'aha Jizọs.
Maazị biko afa gị kwa?
Abụ m la Maazị Eze Achinivu, Lagos branch.
Alright, biko onye nye nụrụ abaghị ugbu a bụ Maazị Eze Achinivu, ọza Lagos branch. Ọ ya na-ekelekwu Maazị fere nne gị aka. Ndewo Maazị. Alright, we are still on with the election here. We are here live, Adamazi. Please, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to Adamazi TV, like and share, comment, so we know how you feel about this election. We may not be able to show you. I am a gosi enyi aga woza na isiokwu maka YouTube na like easy ebe na akpa isiokwu, you know, ona affect the channel. So, but we will just be rest assured that we are here to bring you the updates. So, as you can see, the security men are already coming up to calm the situation down. Oh, okay.
It should be fun.
Yeah, thank you very much. Leo. Okay, yeah, no be me they talk to. Now, that other guy. That other guy, normally, yeah.
This food is serious. Are you with each other?
What did the light?
Since 8 o'clock.
So the situation on ground is a lot of people are tired already. Many people are leaving because ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ bịara ebe a nza 8 o'clock in the morning.
People are coming from Kano, Kaduna. Come here, don't people see that. What are those things?
If you're just joining us, this is Adamazi TV, bringing you the live coverage of Nzuko Men's Wing Presidential Elections 2022.
They make it like no, you can bring your hand down, just bend it like this. No. Grab your attack. Okay. Okay, I want to do something. Somebody's off the light. Connect to your this thing, data is on, right? Connect to connect to my Wi-Fi. Hotspot. We are still live here in. We are still live here in. Civic Center, Arochukwu, bringing you the live update of the election. Since 8 o'clock in the morning, we've been here. We've been here